Let's explore the surprisingly tricky topic of vegetable names starting with the letter X. This is actually harder than you might think. There aren't many vegetables whose common English names begin with X. In fact, we're going to have to get a little creative and look at some possibilities, some more commonly accepted than others. 1. The first and probably the most straightforward answer is xanthosoma. It's a tropical root vegetable, sometimes called yautia or tania, related to taro and cocoyam. You might not see it in your everyday grocery store, but it's a real vegetable. 2. Another option, though more of a stretch, is to consider vegetables whose names contain the letter X, even if it's not at the beginning. For instance, crossbred varieties are common. A vegetable might be labeled something like a crossbred tomato, but that isn't the vegetable's official name. These are technically vegetables, but their names don't start with X. 3. We could also think outside the box and look at less common or regional names. There might be some obscure vegetables with names starting with X in different languages or dialects. However, these would be difficult to verify and not widely known. 4. Finally, we might consider the possibility of newly developed or hybridized vegetables that don't have widespread recognition yet. Agricultural scientists are constantly working to improve crops, so it is theoretically possible that a vegetable with a name beginning with X exists. However, finding proof would require extensive research in agricultural databases. So while a definitive list of vegetables whose names begin with X is quite short, with xanthosoma being the clear frontrunner, we've also explored some of the more interesting and challenging aspects of this question, highlighting the complexities of naming conventions, regional variations, and ongoing developments in agriculture. It's a fun linguistic challenge.